Usable versus rentable square feet explained. What the heck is the difference between usable and rentable square footage? Is there even a difference? The short answer is yes, and in this video, I'm going to explain how they compare. Hey, I'm Nick Zager with Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and our channel is designed to help business owners and managers make the best real estate decisions for their businesses. If you are new here, please be sure to like, share, and hit the subscribe button to get notifications on all of our videos. Now, let's dive in. Square footage may seem like a straightforward concept, but in the world of commercial real estate, landlords and property managers will often have two numbers for square footage: the usable square footage and the rentable square footage. Usable square footage, or USF, is the actual number of square feet the tenant occupies. This is the amount of space located in between the walls of your specific suite or unit. Rentable square footage, or RSF, is the number that the landlord uses to calculate the rent. It equals the usable square footage plus the load factor of the building. The load factor is the amount of space in a building that is not occupied by a tenant, but common areas shared by all tenants, such as lobbies, restrooms, hallways, public corridors, and even mechanical rooms. Architects calculate the load factor of a building by adding up the square footage of all the common areas and then factoring that over the amount of the total building square footage to get a percentage. Then a 1 is added in front of the decimal point in order to be multiplied by each tenant's square footage in order to get the rentable square footage. So for example, if all the common areas of the building, the shared hallways, bathrooms, etc., total to be 15% of the entire building square footage, then the load factor will be 1.15. Then, if your usable square footage is the actual amount of space located in your specific suite, for example, 5,000 square feet, you would multiply 5,000 times 1.15 to get a rentable square footage of 5,750 square feet. Also, side note, when calculating square footage, architects use the Building Owners and Managers Association, or BOMA, as a standard for measuring floor area. This means that the measurements are not to the interior walls of where you actually stand, but to the outside of the exterior walls of a building and to the middle of demising interior walls between suites. The landlord wants to make sure that when a building is full, all of the floor area is accounted for and paid for. It is for this reason that if you, as the tenant, show up at a space with your tape measure, your results may not end up the same as even the usable square footage provided by the landlord. And the bigger the space, the more this will add up. Commercial real estate is incredibly complex, and if you aren't an insider, good information can be difficult to come by. In my practice, I am always growing, learning, and I like to diligently serve my clients and provide them with the best tools to make the right decisions for their business's real estate. So if you have any specific questions or comments about anything I've said, feel free to contact me directly by email or phone, or leave a comment below. If you found value or liked the video and would like more information about how to properly navigate the commercial real estate world, check out these other videos. Again, I'm Nick Zager with Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and I can't wait to connect with you again.